guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look. First of all, just disclaimer, we're gonna ignore this eye because it's been watering all day, so it just wasn't cooperating with me today, and the liner's messed up, but whatever. So it is going to be, this like burnt orange kind of look, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette because I recently just got it. So I decided to play around with some colors, and this is what I came up with. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be using is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick and apply that to my nose and my cheeks. Then I'm using the NYX Hydra Touch Primer and I'm applying that everywhere else. So my forehead, my chin, and the outer half of my cheeks. Now I'm taking this NYX color corrector and applying it under my eyes and then blending it out with a fluffy brush. So for foundation, I'm using the Total Control Drop Foundation from NYX, and I apply that all over my face and blend it out with an Artiste brush. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applying that under my eyes, on my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, and then I'm blending that all out with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking the RCMA No Color Powder with a dry beauty blender and applying that over top my concealer, except for my forehead because my forehead's like super dry and it's hecka annoying. Now I'm using the NYX hashtag No Filter Powder to set my face, and I'm just using a flat top brush to apply that where there is no RCMA powder. Now to fill in my brows, I'm taking the Benefit Goof Proof pencil to just draw a line under my brows, and then I fill them in completely with Ka-Brow by Benefit. So I'm applying this Tarte blush to my cheeks, and then I'm going to bronze up my face a bit with the Hula Bronzer by Benefit. So for highlighter, I'm using Champagne Pop, of course, because fave. Now for the super fun part. All the shades I'm using are from the Morphe 3502 palette, and the first shade I'm using is this bright orange color, and I'm applying that to the center of my lids. Next, I'm taking the very first shade, which is a warm neutral brown, and I'm using that as my transition shade in my crease. Now I'm taking a darker orange and blending that into my outer corner and into my crease. Now I'm taking this dark brownish reddish shade, and actually before I go any farther with the shadows, I'm taking that RCMA powder and putting a little bit under my eyes to prevent any fallout. Okay, so with that shade, I'm putting it in my outer corner and my inner corner to give a halo effect. Now I'm taking a shimmery brown and applying that over top what I just did to add some dimension. And now I'm going to take this super bright shimmery orange and applying that back over top the first orange in the center of my lid. And I actually ended up using my finger for that, just so it's more pigmented. Now I'm taking this bright red and applying that to my crease just to add some more color. And I did use a pencil brush for that. Now I'm wiping away all that excess powder. And for the shadows under my eye, I'm using the same exact shades, but just building them up on top of each other. Now I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer and a new NYX glitter, and I believe it's in the shade Nude, and I'm applying that to my inner corner. And then I'm taking the NYX gel liner and creating a pretty big wing. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara and some falsies. And lastly, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Latex Lip Gloss in Hopeless Romantic, I believe, and applying that to my lips.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications if you have not already. And comment down below any other video requests you guys have for me. But yeah, this eye look was super fun to create, and as you know, I had to add some glitter into the inner corner because I just love glitter. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!